progress.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् चितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः क्षितितलपरमाणवो अनिलान्ते पुनरुपयान्ति यथैकतां धरित्र्याः सुरपशुमनुजादयस्तथान्ते गुणकलुषेण सनातनेन तेन हारिमामरवरार्चिताङ्घ्रिपद्मं प्रणमति यः परमार्थतो हि मर्त्यः तम् अपगतसमस्तपापबन्धं व्रज परिहृत्य यथाग्निमाज्यसिक्तम् इति यमवचनं निशम्य पाशी यमपुरुषः तमुवाच धर्मराजं कथय मम विभो समस्तधातुः भवति हरेः खलु यादृशोऽस्य भक्तः. In the beginning of this chapter, we saw that Maitreya asked Parashara about the workings of Yama, in the sense of how do people, what is the karma and how does karma work, etc. How does this adavad saptalokaha antastaha brahmandasya cha sthula sukshmataram, how are all of these connected with this entire world? What are all the worlds that are there? Yatanaha kidrishaha and the worlds that are there. He wanted to know why is it, how is it that the people keep moving up and down in this world? And then ayushaha ante yatanaha yanti iti uktam. What are all those yatanas and how do they get back from those yatanas? So just to give a gist of that. So Parashara says this is the same question that Nakula asked Bhishma. What is the who goes to the Narakam and who does not go to Narakam? So this is the question that Nakula had asked Bhishma. So when Bhishma was replying to Nakula, he said Kalinga deshat kaschana dvijaha agataha saha maya prishtaha, and then that Kalinga desha brahmana, he had met another Jatismara Dvija, from whom Jatismara Muni, Rishi, sage, who remembered his earlier Janma, and from him he got this message. So that message is the conversation between Yama and his Kinkara, Yama Kinkara. So the Kalinga started and he said, Swapurusham abhivikshya pashahastam. When Yama saw one of his bhata, one of his servants, Dutas, trying to take the life of someone, he says, Madhusudana prapannana parihara. You should avoid people who are the bhaktas of Vishnu. The people in this bhumi, everybody is born and they go into the kshititala paramanavaha anilante punaha upayanti yatha ekatam tatha sura pashu manujadayaha ante tena sanatena saha ekatam upayanti. So all of these people, all of these bhutarashis which are born out of Vishnu, immediately go and settle down within him, just as how by wind the dust flies around and then it goes and settles down on the earth. As such, it comes from the earth and goes into the earth. In the same manner, all of these people also come out of Vishnu and then go and settle down into Vishnu. So he being the Adhara Bhutam for everything in this world, a person who does namaskaram to Harim Yaha Harim Yaha Pranamati, one who does namaskaram to Hari, apagata samasta papabandham vraja. So if he has even entered into this bhakti of Vishnu, then that means he is already on the path of getting rid of all of his papam. So it is best to be away or avoid such a person. Iti yamavachanam nishamya pashi yamapurushaha tam uvacha dharmaraja. So he says, now tell me, how do I identify that this person is a bhakta and this person is an abhakta? So next Yama starts his explanation on how one can identify who is a Vishnu bhakta and who is not a bhakta. So we start with Yama Uvacha here. Na chalati nijavarna dharmato yaha samamatihi atma suhrud vipaksha pakshe na harati na cha hanti kinchit uchchaihi sita manasam tam avehi Vishnu bhaktam. So tam Vishnu bhaktam avehi. You have to understand that this is a Vishnu bhakta. So the lakshanas of a Vishnu bhakta are given here in a bit of a detail, about 10 shlokas. You will have bhakta lakshanam and then abhakta lakshanam. So the rest of the chapter is this, that's all. So na chalati nija varna dharmataha, nija varnataha dharmataha cha, or varnashrama dharmataha yaha na chalati, tasmat pathaha yaha na chalati. So if there is a path that has been subscribed, that has been given to him, that has been ordained for him, then he does not move away from that path that is due for his varna. If this is the particular varna and these are the dharmas that have to be followed by that particular varni, a person who is born in that varna, so nija varna dharmataha, from the tradition or from the dharma that is prescribed for his varna, yaha na vichalati, one who does not move away from that, that is, he follows everything according to what has been prescribed. Atma suhrit vipat pakshe, Atma suhrit vipaksha pakshe samamatihi yahacha. So the first is one who follows his dharma. The second one is one who is samamatihi. Atma suhrit, Atma vipaksha pakshe. In both these, when in the matters of both his friend and his enemy. So Atma Suhrita, one's own friend and one's own enemy. In this paksham ityukte tatra, it is like in relevant of and the pakshathilangrada madri eduthukodadu. You take it as in that matter, or in the matter of Atma Suhrita and Atma Vipaksha. Either it is a friend or either it is a enemy. Samamatihi bhavati. He behaves in a very equally. He shows no difference, or he has an indifference towards either whether he is a friend or an enemy. Neutral, one who is very neutral. Samabuddhi. Idella you can find parallels in Gita. Just the 10 shlokas can go for 10 classes if I have to find parallel from Upanishads and Gita. This is just describes everything that is there. So sama Atma Suhrita Vipaksha Pakshe, with regards to Atma Suhrita, one's own friend, or Atma Vipaksha, or one's own enemy, then he is Samamatihi. Samamatihi, he treats them in an equanimity. Na harati na cha hanti kinchit. Uchchaihi sitamanasam tam Vishnu bhaktam avehi. Na harati na hanti. One does not take paraswatvam na harati. He does not take another person's wealth. Paradhanam na harati. Nacha hanti kinchit. He cannot kill anybody also. No bhutarashis can be killed by him. That is, he does not think about harming anybody physically also. Harati ityukte tatra his possession. He does not take covet anybody else's possession, nor does he think of doing any physical damage to another person. So either his possession or himself, the body. So both, he does not think about that. Uchchaihi sitamanasam. One who has a very shuddha manasa, and uchchaihi api. So uchchai sitamanasam should be one word here. Illa. Kinchit uchchaihi can be, okay. He has got a very high-minded, he is udara guna yuktaha saha iti. So uchchaihi sitamanasam shuddha manasam, unblemished. So there is no blemish in his mind, and he also thinks very highly about things. He doesn't get into petty quarrels and all that. So he has a very high mind here. Tam eva Vishnu bhaktam avehi. Know him to be the bhakta of Vishnu. So it goes on further to give other identification marks also. Kali kalusha malena yasyana atma vimalamatehe malinikritaha tamyenam manasi krita janardanam manushyam satatam avehi harehe ativa bhaktam. Satatam avehi. Know always that this sort of a person, the one whose atma, one whose mind is not kali kalusha malena maliनीकृतः न विद्यते. यस्य विमलमतेः आत्मा कलिकलुषमलेन मलिनीकृतः न अस्ति तम् एनं मनसि कृतजनार्दनं हरेः अतीव भक्तं मनुष्यं सततम् अवेहि. तं मनुष्यं, तं एनं मनुष्यं. So Anvaya is, because it's a bigger shloka, you need a little bit of Anvaya this way, that way. So Yasya Atma, the mind of one of whom is, he is also Vimalamati. His mind is very pure, because he is pure-minded. Kali Yugasya, idla paathelna and adena Bhagavata Mahatmyam. He starts off with, and in the first skandam also, he talks about what are all the problems that can come because of Kali Yuga. Now, the influence of Kali is such that Dharma stands only on one foot. The other three are all gone because of Adharma. So, Adharma seeps in. And Kalehe Kalusham Malena, the most dirty things or anything that is the soil of Kali Yuga, the Kali age, because of that, a person's mind which is very pure can be completely dirtied because of that. Malini krataha bhavati. Atra tu asya shuddha manasaha manushyasya tu malini krataha na bhavati ityeva. So his mind is not spoilt by the difficulties of Kali or the dirt that is associated with Kali in terms of bad actions, etc. Nariya solvar idla Mahatmyatla. Tamyenam yasya matihi evam kalushikritam na bhavati. Tasya tam enam manushyam. He has Janardana in his mind. Manasi krita Janardanam. Satatam harehe ativa bhaktam. He is always a devout worshipper of Bhagavan Hari. Iti avehi. Know that he is the bhakta of Hari. So, Kalikalusha malena yasya atma, yasya na atma, vimalamatehe malinikritaha tamenam, manasikrita janardanam manushyam satatamavehi harehe ativa bhaktam. So, this is just one identification here, that his mind is not affected by the problems of Kali, or the evil mind of Kali. Then, Kanakam api rahasi avekshya buddhya trinamiva yas samavaiti vai parasvam bhavati cha bhagavati ananyachetaha purushavaram tamavehi vishnu bhaktam. Purushavaram, that greatest among men is a Vishnu Bhakta. Know him to be a Vishnu Bhakta because his mind is not anywhere else other than Bhagavan. Bhagavati ananyachetaha. Anyachetaha, anyam, anyasmin chetaha yasya na vidyate. Saha ananyachetaha. One who does not have his mind in anything else other than Bhagavan. So, Bhagavati eva Ananya Chetasa Saha Dhyayanna Vartate. So he is completely absorbed without to the extent of not thinking about anything else and exclusively thinking about Bhagavan. Tadrisha Purusha Varam Eva Vishnu Bhaktam Avehi. But the first one is Kanakam Api Rahasi Avekshya. Rahasi in, see, this is very important, this Rahasi. In a place where there is nobody else, there is one gold ornament that is fallen down and you chance upon it. Okay? But the first instinct of a man would be to take it and keep it. Because finders, keepers. Yeah, this is one modern philosophy that a lot of people have. Finders, keepers. Yeah. So, but Kanakamapi, Rahasi Aveksha, nobody has seen it. So, if I take it, nobody is going to know about it. Adikta, in Mrichakatikam, சொல்லுவா, nobody will see me if I kill Vasanta Sena in this garden அப்படிம்பா. There are 10 people who are witnesses here. Yama, Agni, Devata, Manasakshi. Kadasila he will talk about his own mind, which is the Sakshi for any action that we do. So we are never alone in this world. There are so many things. Dasha Dishaha, Suryan, Chandra, Chandramaha, and then Nakshatrani. All of these are constant witnesses in our life. So it is like they are keeping us in check, and we should never do adharma because of that. இதெல்லாம் தானே தர்மம் நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு இல்லை. கனகம் அபி ரகசி அவேக்ஷிய புத்தியா திருணமிவ யஹா சமவைத்தி பரஸ்வம். Some gold ornament is fallen down. He knows that it is not his own. It is paraswam, paradhanam. Swammanale dhanam. So it belongs to someone else. So since it belongs to someone else, but there is nobody watching here, it is in secret that he has seen this avekshya drishtva. Parantu buddhya saha kim chintayati trinam eva iti. Etattu trinam. He thinks of it as equal to a blade of grass. Samavaiti. Tadrisha yataha tasya manasitu paradhanam nasti. भगवानेव वर्तते इति कारणात् तमेव विष्णु भक्तम् अवेहि.
भगवद्गीता युक्त इत्युच्यते योगी समलोष्टाश्म काञ्चन.
அவ்வளவுதான். ஆமா, இதுல வரும் சிவ சிவ பஷ்யந்தி சமம் ஸ்ரீ காமாட்சி கடாட்சிதாः புருஷாः விபினம் பவனம் அமித்ரம் மித்ரம் லோஷ்டம் ச யுவதி பிம்போஷ்டம். காமாட்சி கடாட்சிதாः புருஷாः, அம்பாளோட அனுகிரகம் பட்டுடுதுன்னா அவ்வளவுதான். அதேதான்
மாத்ருவத் பரதாரேஷு பரத்ரவ்யேஷு லோஷ்டவத் ஆத்மாத் சர்வபூதேஷு யப் பஸ்யதி
சபஷ்யதி. யப் பஸ்யதி சபஷ்யதின்னு எனக்கு இது பாடம். சபண்டிதா. அவ்வளவுதான்.
அயம் நிஜஹ பரோ வேத்தி.
அது தட் இஸ் த இது ஒன். யூ ஷுட் டோன்ட் சமபுத்தியில அது வருது. சமமதிஹி அப்படிங்கிறது. ஸோ கனகமபி ரகசி அவேக்ஷிய புத்தியா இன் இஸ் மைண்ட் ஹி திங்ஸ் இட் இஸ் ஒன்லி திருணம். So Bhagavati Ananyachetaha Sayeva Vishnu Bhaktam Tamyeva Vishnu Bhaktam Avehi. Know him to be the devotee of Vishnu. Sphatika Giri Shilamalaha Kva Vishnuhu Manasi Nrinam Kvacha Matsaradi Doshaha Nahi Tuhina Mayukha Rashmi Punje Bhavati Hutashana Deeptijaha Pratapaha. So two things he is comparing here. Vishnu is like a Spatika Giri Shila Amalaha. He is as pure as a Spatika mountain, or a piece taken from a Spatika mountain. So Spatika Giri Shila, a mountain. Let's imagine a big Spatikam. Spatikam nale edukku, it just indicates Shuddhatvam, that's all. And it is capable of reflecting everything else. But inside there is actually nothing there. That is why Vishnu is called as Spatikam. We may try to portray him as, someone with a dark complexion who has Shankha, Chakram, etc. etc. But then he is like Spatikam. இந்த பக்கத்தில் அந்த செம்பருத்தியை வச்ச உடனே அது எப்படி ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகுமோ அந்த மாதிரி அவர். ஸோ ஸ்பட்டிக கிரி ஷிலாவத் அமலஹா விஷ்ணு க்வ. வேர் இஸ் ஹீ அண்ட் வேர் ஆர் ஆல் தீஸ் மத்சராதி தோஷாக மனசி நிருணாம் க்வ. நிருணாம் மனுஷ்யாணாம் மத்சராதி தோஷாக த mistakes or all the evil things that we have in our mind like jealousy etc. He lives only in a mind which is pure, which is free of all these doshas. Only in that mind can Vishnu reside. So the hearts of people are all filled with such evil things like Matsaradi doshaha nrinam manasi kva. Where is this mind, or where is the evil that is present in the mind of people, and where is Vishnu who is like a Spatika Amalaha, who is as pure as Spatikam. Now the comparison here is Tuhina Mayukha Rashmi Punje Hutashana Deeptijaha Pratapaha Na Bhavati. In a cluster of, let's say, cool rays of the moon. So Tuhina Mayukha Rashmi Punje, in a heap of the rays of the Tuhina Mayukha. Mayukha nale rays. Tuhina is cool, which is the moon. So in wherever there is cool rays of the moon, the Agni cannot have, so it's the glowing heat of that Agni cannot exist inside the moon. Okay, it cannot exist inside. Hutashana Diptijaha Pratapaha cannot exist in a mind that is cool. So the comparison here is Bhagavan is like a Spatika Giri, or he is like the cooling rays of the moon. So he is compared to the cool rays of the moon. When the cool rays of the moon is there, the Agni becomes, the fuel becomes very, so you cannot have the qualities of fire coming out there. So Hutashana Dipti Jaha Pratapaha, the brilliance or the heat emerging from a fire cannot happen when the moon is drenching the fuel with its rays. In the same way, when Vishnu exists in the mind, then there is a cooling effect in the mind where these kind of tapas of Shad Ari, Matsara, Kama, etc., it is not possible for that mind to even have such qualities in it. So what he is essentially saying is, Vishnu, who is like the cool rays, he cannot be doused by a fire here. The moon's rays cannot, the moon kulliye poi namba, we cannot have a fire there and try to. Andamadri he is trying to imagine here. So where is Vishnu, who is very pure?
Similar to Talela Gangaye vechindu, Moona vechindu, Vadamba Pamba vechindu, Jillin irke.
Ama.
Yan manasa vandu romba
Ukandru, adeda. Maulo Ganga Shashanko, Karacharatare, Sheetalanga Bhujangaha. Chitte Nirveda Tapte Yadi Bhavatinate, Nityavaso Madiye. Apo he is capable of removing that tapam completely. That tapam cannot even arise. Spatika Giri Shila Malaha, idu vandu opposite irukku. That is Kva and Kva pota Vishma Alankaram. Idu vandu, this is a Vayadikarana Drishtantam. Konjam Alankaram yojikanam. Spatika Giri Shila Malaha Kva Vishnuhu Manasi Nrinam Kvacha Matsaradi Doshaha Nahi Tuhina Mayukha Rashmi Punje Bhavati Hutashana Diptijaha Pratapaha.
என்ன அலங்காரம் சொன்னேன்? சாரி
அதாவது குவா வந்திருக்கிறதுனால இட் இஸ் விஷம அலங்காரா.
விஷம.
கீழே வந்து நஹி துஹினமயூக புஞ்சே பிரதாபஹா ந பவதி, அதாவது தட் அகடித கடனாவை ஹி இஸ் ட்ரைங் டு ஷோ இட் வித்இன் இது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி பிரதிவஸ்தூபமா சொல்லலாமா இல்லைன்னா இதுவான்னு யோசிக்கிறேன், திருஷ்டாந்தமா இருக்கலாமான்னு யோசிக்கிறேன். திருஷ்டாந்தம் தோன்றது. ஆமா. Yeah, it's like a drishtantam here. Interesting. Vimalamatihi amatsaraha prashantaha shuchicharitaha akhila sattva mitra bhutaha priyahita vachanaha astamana mayaha vasati sada hriditasya vasudevaha. So whosoever mind is like this, there are so many qualities that he gives. அந்த கீதையில் அமானித்வம் அதம்பித்வம் இதெல்லாம் வந்தால் தானே, தோஸ் ஆர் த ஸ்டெப்ஸ் டு அச்சீவ் இல்லையா. விமல மதிஹி, விமல மதிஹி, ஒன் ஹூ ஷுட் ஹாவ் எ வெரி பியோர் மைண்ட். அமத்சரஹ, நோ ஈகோ, நோ ஜெலசி. மத்சரஹ பர உத்கர்ஷ அசகனனம், யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் இது. பிரசாந்தஹ, கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃப்ரீ ஆஃப் ஜெலசி. அண்ட் தென் பிரசாந்தஹ, totally contented. Prashanta is not merely a calm. When can a mind be calm? It can only be calm when it is contented. It should be satisfied with things. Only when there is no satisfaction, but then the small agitations comes about because you are not satisfied with whatever you have, and then you want something more. So there is a tapam that increases, and hence that shantatvam, which is natural, is gone. So Prashantaha is a person who is contented with his, who is very happy with his life here. Shuchi Charitaha, one who has a very pure conduct. Conduct certificate is excellent. Akhila Sattva Mitra Bhutaha. He is like a friend to everybody. That is where you have your Ayam Nijaf Paravavetti Ganana Laghu Chetasam. Udara Charitanam tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So the entire world is his family in a way. But if you are Sattva, Akhila Sattva ityukte Akhila Prani, every Bhutarashi in this world is like a mitram for him, who have become a mitram for him. Whether they want to be in an enemy position or not, it doesn't matter. Just like how Duryodhana, he may be in he may have taken an antagonistic position, whereas Krishna looked at him as the same. That's all. He had no there. He was neutral. Yeah. So Akila Satvanam Mitra Bhutaha, one who acts like one who is, one who has become. Inge Bhoongardu, it is actually a dhatu in the 10th gana, which Prapayati ityarthaha. One who becomes a friend. So Priya Hita Vachanaha. He also speaks both Priyam and Hitam. Adenna
na bruyat
Satyam Apriyam. இல்லையா அதுதான் பிரியம் ச நான்ருதம் ப்ரூயாத் ஏஷ தர்ம சனாதனஹ. பிரியம் ஹிதம் போத் இஸ் டிஃபிகல்ட் டு அப்டைன், ரைட்? அதான் அப்ரியஸ்ய ச பத்யஸ்ய வக்தா ஸ்ரோதா ச துர்லபஹான்னு வரும் ராமாயணத்தில். Apriyam and Pathyam, both Hitam and Apriyam, it is very difficult for people to say. Here he says, speak Priyam and speak that which is beneficial, otherwise don't speak, that's all. Asta Mana Mayaha. Manam is Kopam or self-esteem, also ego, Garva. One who does not have any Garva. Garvaha tu astamitaha atra. Maya, the effects of Maya is also completely gone in that person. Tasya hridi eva Vasudevaha sada nivasati. So one whose mind is devoid of any arrogance or Maya, in that mind Vasudeva resides. Vasati hridi sanatane cha tasmin. Now what happens if Vasudeva comes and stays in the mind of such a person? Vasati hridi sanatane cha tasmin bhavati puman jagataha asya saumya rupaha. Kshiti rasam ati ramyam atmanaha antaha kathayati charutaya eva shalapotaha. Another example he gives. So, hridi sanatane, tasmin sanatane vasati sati. Athava tasmin hridi, in his mind, sanatane vasati sati. When Vishnu takes residence, when he decides to live in the mind of such a person, then what happens to that person? Pumana asya jagataha saumya rupaha pumana bhavati. So he becomes a person who is very beautiful. The inner beauty starts showing outside, and he is thought of as the most endearing person in the whole world. So Saumya also means somebody who is very calm, Saumya gunam. Ityukte, one who has a very endearing personality. So for the entire world, asya jagataha saha pumanyeva saumya rupaha bhavati. He becomes a person who has an endearing charisma around him when he has Bhagavan inside him. Kshiti rasam atiramyam atmanaha antaha charutaya eva shalapotaha. Just like a shalapotaha, young shala tree. Shala treeங்கிறது குங்குலியம்னு போட்டிருக்கு தமிழ்ல. சாலவிருக்ஷம் is it's the same name in Hindi also. So the shala vriksha, it's small young one, is called shalapotaha. When it takes in the rasam of the earth, kshiti rasam antaha kshiti rasam, it has the essence of the earth inside it, and it takes on a very beautiful form. Otherwise, if it is not able to take in the rasam through its roots, then it cannot become a beautiful tree here. So charutaya eva atiramyam kathayati, atiramyam bhavati. So atiramyam kathayati, they speak of the young shala tree as a very beautiful tree because they are talking about the rasam that it takes from the earth. The same way, Vasudeva is the adharam for this entire world. So even for us, he is the antaryami and he is the adharam for us also. So when we take that essence into our mind, then the outer body also becomes much more beautiful. அது என்ன சொல்றது, யூ எக்ஸியூட் தட் எக்ஸலன்ஸ்ம்பாலையா, அந்த மாதிரி அதை விட லாவண்யம் பொங்கி வருதும்பால, அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க. when something is overflowing, then it is showing outside. இந்த இதில் அம்பாளோட வகுடுக்கு சொல்லுவார், முக லாவண்யம் பரிவாக ஸ்ரோதசரணிவர் சீமந்த சரணிஹிம்பர் இதில் சௌந்தரலஹரியில் பரிவாக ஸ்ரோத சரணிரிவ சீமந்த சரணிஹி வஹந்தி சிந்தூரம் பிரபலகபரி பாரதி மிரத் துஷாம் விருந்தைர் வந்தீகிருதம் போகிறோம். அதாவது முக லாவண்யம் இஸ் ஸோ மச் தட் இட் ஹேஸ் டு ஓவர்ஃப்ளோ அண்ட் இட் இஸ் பிகமிங் எ நதி. அதுதான் தட் இஸ் தட் சென்டர் பார்ட்டிங் ஆஃப் அம்பாள் இட் சீம்ஸ். அந்த மாதிரி it has to go out somewhere, no? When it is filled up inside with Bhagavan, then it starts showing outside. In the same way, this tree, or just as how a tree, as it takes in the rasam from the earth, it starts blooming into a beautiful young tree. The same way, when the mind is filled with Bhagavan, vasati sanatane tasmin hridaye pumana saumya rupaha bhavati jagataha. For the world, he seems to be such a wonderful person. Vasati hridi sanatane cha tasmin bhavati puman jagatosya saumya rupaha kshiti rasam atiramyam atmanaha antaha charutaye kathayati charutayaiva shalapotaha. So shalapotaha, the young shala tree, charutaya eva, with its beauty, it seems to tell us, kathayati, it seems to tell us that atmanaha antaha, inside it there is this very beautiful ati ramyam kshiti rasam vartate ite asman kathayati eva. It is as if it is telling us that. So if we see a person who is very beautiful, it shows that he has it is as if he is telling us that Bhagavan resides inside him. यम नियम विधूत कल्मषाणाम अनुदिनम अच्युत सक्त मानसाम अपगत मद मान मत्सराणाम त्यज भट दूरतरेण मानवानाम. So yama niyama vidhuta kalmashanam. Yama niyama is the first two steps of Ashtanga Yoga. Using the first two steps of Ashtanga Yoga, Yama, Niyama, then you have Asana, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Adane. So you have Yama and Niyama, by which you start, that gives way to Chitta Shuddhi. So Yama and Niyama, Yamana control of sense organs, Niyama is a proper practice that you follow. Karma. Vidhuta kalmasham. Because of this, all the papam is completely removed. Tadrisha jananam, manavanam. This is an adjective to manavanam. For those people whose papam has been completely removed because of the practice of yama and niyama, anudinam achyuta sakta manasam. Every day their mind is completely sakta, completely attached to only achyuta. Achyuta nale நழுவாமல் ரிஷிக்கென பிடித்தேனுங்கிறோம் இல்லையா? பால் நினைந்துட்டும் தாயினும் சாலப்பரி யானுனை சிக்கென பிடித்தேன் எங்கெழுந்தருள்வதி நீயே. அது மாதிரி அச்சுதங்கிறச்சு ஒன் ஹூ டஸ் நாட் லெட் கோ ஆல்சோ. அண்ட் இஃப் வி கேட்ச் ஹோல்ட் ஆஃப் ஹிம், we will also not be able to let go of him. One who does not let go of his bhakta also. Yaha, that is ஒரு சுவாரஸ்யமா சொல்றதுக்கு. But the other way to interpret it is actually கூட்டஸ்த நித்யஹ இத்யர்த்தஹ. One who does not move away from his essential nature. He is always satswarupaha, sukhaswarupaha, anandaswarupaha saha, tasmat achyutah. One who does not deviate from his essential nature. Tadrisha achyute sakta manasanam. For those people whose mind is completely fixated upon achyuta. இதுல ருக்மிணி லவ் லெட்டர்ல அப்படிதான் ஆரம்பிப்போம். தொயி அச்சுத அபத்ரபம் மேம்பர் நிர்விஷ ஸ்ருத்வா குணான் புவன சுந்தர ஷண்மதாந்தே நிர்விஷ்ய கர்ண விவரைஹி ஹரதோ அங்கதாபம். Having heard about all your great qualities, that goes right into my ear and directly to my heart, and it removes all of the tapam. Nirvishya karna vivaraihi haratavangataapam rupam drisham drishimatam akhilarthalapam tvayi achyuta avishati chittam apatrapam me. My mind just automatically goes and enters into you. Hey achyuta. அது ஒரு இட்ஸ் பெரிய ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரெங்க் தானே. ஸோ அபகத மத மான மத்சராணம். ஃபர்தர் தீஸ் பீப்புள் ஹவ் ஆல்சோ ரிமூவ்ட் ஆல் ஆஃப் தேர் ஃப்ரம் தெம் மத்சர மான அண்ட் மத. மத இஸ் சம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் அன் இன்டாக்சிகேஷன், மோகம், டில்யூஷன். Mana is garva, matsara is jealousy. All of these things have gone away from this person, apagata. So, mada mana matsaraha apagataha yasmat, yesha, or yebhyaha. From those people, all of these have gone away. So, tadrishanam Duratarena tyaja tadrishanam vishaye iti. So you have to completely leave them or avoid them from far off. Don't even go near them. Ityartha. அதாவது முன்னாடி சொல்லல ஒரு பெரிய அக்னி எரிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்குன்னா கிட்ட போய் சூடு எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு தொட்டு பார்க்கணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லையே. The moment you see it, you know that the fire is huge. You want to avoid that and move far off. So hey bhata Yamaha vadati duratarena tyaja, let go of that from afar. Hridi yadi bhagavan anadihi aste harihi asi shankha gadadharaha avyayatma tad agham agha vighata kartri bhinnam bhavati katham sati cha andhakaram arke sati andhakaram katham bhavati. How can darkness be present when there is sun? So arke sati, when darkness cannot even exist in this world, right? Andhakaram katham bhavati. Arke sati, when the sun is in this world, or when the sun is shining, andhakaram katham bhavati. In the same way, when Bhagavan is present in the mind, yadi hridi, if in the mind, anadihi Bhagavan harihi asishankha gadadharaha avyayatma aste. If he is present, if Bhagavan, who is anadi, who is without any beginning or end, anadihi asik shankha gadadharaha, idella வந்து தாரணாத்யான சமாதி. So you start off with saguna upasana, savikalpaka samadhi, and then nirvikalpaka samadhi. So in the savikalpaka stage, Hari is present in the mind with the asi, nandakam, shankha, panchajanyam, gada, kaumudaki, dharaha, having all of these weapons. If he is present in the mind, avyayatma, one who cannot be separated, vyayaha nasti, itukte he does not, he cannot, there is no kshayaha nasti tasya, or bhava vikaraha na yasya vidyante, tadrisha avyayatma saha. In the jayate, vardhate, viparinamate, adala, those sort of changes are not present in this Hari. Tadrisha Bhagavan Harihi tat aste, yadi aste tat tada agham agha vighata kartri bhinnam agham katham bhavati. How would papam exist in that mind, and that papam which is completely different from agha vighata karta. Bhagavan is the person who destroys agham, sin. So aghasya vighatam yaha karoti saha agha vighata karta. Kartra bhinnam vartate agham. So which means the sin which is different from the person who destroys the sin. If the person who destroys the sin is present in the mind, then how can papam exist in the mind? Agham katham bhavati. Yatha arke sati andhakaram katham bhavati. How is it possible for darkness to be present when the sun is shining? Yeah. Now, from the next shloka, he concludes the bhakta lakshanam and starts the lakshanam of an abhakta. Harati paradhanam. Oh. Harati. Now from this he starts the lakshanam of a abhakta. Harati paradhanam nihanti jantuna. Maybe we'll do this next class. Apo we can finish the chapter with this. Okay. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayamudirayat.